Now see children, come towards your textbook, commerce as well as science students. This part is common for everybody. Okay, what is the exact meaning of differentiation? How it works by using limits? You have to learn. See, practical number 4, differentiation. From your textbook, I wrote definition of derivative. What is meant by derivative and what is meant by differentiability? See, let f of x be a function defined on an open interval. Open interval means what? Which interval? Which kind of interval? Open interval, round bracket. Okay. Point which let f of x be a function defined on an open interval containing the point a if limit, see, limit delta x tends towards to 0, f of a plus delta x minus f of a over delta x. What is the exact meaning of, suppose this is my xy plane and I have one curve here as like this. Then first of all I have one chord, and suppose I want to decrease this point q and this point p towards p. So then I will get this point is known as a with f of a. This point is known as a plus delta x. Here is delta as like this, so you can take this one. So यहाँ पे आएगा f of a plus delta x. Got it? Now what is the meaning of this? This is length of PQ. Length of PQ is nothing but f of a plus delta x minus f of a over a plus delta x minus a. So this a get cancelled and we will get this term. Now see, after that I told you I want to move this q if I have one chord and this is rotating again and again, this is moving again and again, then I want one point as like this, q becomes p. It means this distance is decreasing towards, this distance is tending toward my a here. Okay, now if this distance is tending towards a, it means delta x is tending towards what? 0. Delta x is nothing but small increment and which is 0 here. Then you can write a limit of delta x, this one tends to 0, f of a plus delta x minus f of a over delta x. There x get cancelled and remaining term is delta x inside the denominator. Now see, then f is said to be differentiable. At that point we can say that our function is known as differentiable at what? At x equal to a. It means my function is differentiable at x equal to a when chord become and tangent which is passing through only single point p. Now see here, at x equal to a and this limit is said to be the derivative. This portion, this part of limit, how to read this one? Limit delta x tends to 0, f of a plus delta x minus f of a over delta x, and this is known as derivative. This is known as y by dx. You can write this is also known as f dash x. Your y is in the form of f of x, then dy by dx is in the form of f dash x. So if my point is differentiable at x equal to a and this limit is said to be derivative, it means this total bracket is known as derivative, and this is known as first principle. This is known as first principle. Okay, now see, we can calculate derivative of f at any point x in the domain of f. Let y equal to f of x be a function. We can calculate derivative of any function. We can as like this, derivative of constant function, derivative of identity function. Okay, so let f of x be the any function and there be a small increment in the values of x, then delta x be the small increment here in values of x, it means 1 plus delta x. The corresponding there will be a small increment in the values of y, says delta y. If I am going to increase my x in the form of delta x, correspondingly my y also will be increased from y to delta y to y plus delta y. So if I have y plus delta y, then it means that I have this term. Got it? And if y plus delta y equal to f of x plus delta x, then can I move this y towards right hand side? Then I got this. Now we know that y is nothing but f of x, so substitute your value here. Now see, delta x is a small increment, okay, and which is not equal to 0, because if sometime delta x is in the denominator, and denominator should not be 0 here, it is rule for rational number. So delta x not equal to 0, so dividing third by delta x, we will get delta x, divide third by delta x, then we will get this one. Limit delta x approaches to 0, delta y over delta x equals to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. If the above limit exists, then that limiting value is called as derivative. If my limit is exist here, it means that left hand side of limit and right hand side of limit getting equal, values of left hand limit and right hand limits are same, then I can say that limit is exist here. Now see, this is known as left hand derivative in the form of limit, and this is known as right hand derivative